Hello and welcome to this video about using Notion to create your apps. And this makes it very convenient for people who don't code to actually create an app. And you can convert Notion pages and immediately create an app from there. For example, you can create buttons, you can add information and immediately create icons as well. And this is very convenient because you can, as a business, for example, use this to collect data and improve workflows. And they provide several examples such as tracking tasks, even field operations, inventory management, CRMs, and keeping track of your resources. So as you can see, it's really taking Notion to the next step and making it a productive app. So people can use it on their phone and immediately add information and consult information as well. And you can make sure that everything is correctly logged in the app. And if necessary, you can even add some custom codes to create more advanced apps. There are several components already working inside of this app, such as adding signatures, scanning barcodes, and even adding videos and buttons. So I think it's a very valuable addition for companies that already use Notion but want to add a mobile component or create additional features. If we take a look at the pricing, we can see they have a free plan. And if you want to upgrade, they go up to $165 per month as an enterprise plan. The good news is you can try it for free for 2 weeks, so you can see if it adds value to your company or not. So that was a quick look at Notion apps. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.